You are going to love the 2017 Sprinter. For those with a job to do, look no further. The Mercedes Sprinter is for you. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, dual rear wheels, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, cruise control, power windows. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.